Do you want to know how much money and passive income you can make on Aave, on Polygon? Well, this video is definitely for you because I'll be sharing with you how much money I'm making with my stablecoins that are locked as collateral on Aave and how I plan on earning over $1,000 in passive income with stablecoins on Aave Polygon. So if you're new to the channel and you're interested in DeFi, earning passive income, then I highly recommend that you hit the subscribe button, leave a like. I also really appreciate that, and it helps with the algorithm. Let me know down below if you've already started yield farming on Polygon, or if you've got some problems trying to get some funds onto Polygon. A lot of tutorials in that regard is coming out soon, so stay tuned. So I've got a spreadsheet and a few useful tools for yield farming. And yeah, I'll link everything down in the description below. So as well as one extensive tutorial on how to use Aave, how to actually lock up collateral, how to borrow, and things that you have to keep an eye upon. So in front of you, we've got the Aave dashboard, the interface where all the magic is happening. On the left-hand side are all of my deposits, and on the right-hand side are all of my borrows. On the left-hand side, we've got $10,398 of collateral, and on the right hand side I've got $4,102 of borrowed amount. We'll go into that in a detail in a bit, because this is actually very fascinating how you can actually start with a little bit of amount of money but earn on maybe double or triple that amount. So maybe if you're putting $1,000, you might actually be earning rewards on $3,000. So at the moment, I only have actually $6,000 initial capital that I put into Aave, but I'm actually earning rewards on over $14,000. So one tool that I highly recommend that you use is Zapper. If you go into the zapper.fi dashboard and you click on the left hand side, you can actually connect your wallet, and then you can get all of the information about your wallet. And if you scroll down, you can see the information, the chain. So we are on the Polygon chain, the amount of deposits. These are the assets that I have deposited as collateral. And below, I've got not only the borrowed amount in USDT, but also the claimable wrapped matic that I've been earning. So I'm actually earning my rewards in APY in US dollars, but also as claimable matic tokens. So if I go back to the Aave dashboard, that's what you see up here, these available rewards, 3.9 matic. But since we've got APY over APY, it's very difficult to actually know how much you would actually be earning. So what I've done is I've created a small spreadsheet. I'll link it down below and you can make a copy. The only unfortunate thing is that since these are flexible, variable APY rates, meaning that these can change from day to day, and even based on the hour, it might be a bit different when I actually upload this video. So you will have to change these to get an estimate of how much you would be earning. So if we go back to the spreadsheet, total funds on Aave, $14,517. However, I only locked up at the beginning when I started out from scratch, I only locked up $6,313. Now you might be wondering, where's the remaining money coming from? Well, this is a trick. This is where the magic is. So with these $6,313 that I locked up, basically I locked up stable coins. I locked up DAI, 3,607. I also locked up some USDC and some wrapped matic that I had. So that's what I locked up, 6,313. Then what I did is I took a loan, I borrowed $4,102 in USDT. Now I can actually take this amount out because I'm using stable coins, and then the loan to value can be a lot higher. If you're actually depositing something like ETH or BTC or Matic, then you have to be a lot more careful because the value of your collateral could drop like by 50%. And this is definitely not something that you want. That's why I highly recommend a larger amount of your collateral should be stablecoins, USDC, DAI, USDT, and so on. However, you cannot borrow if you deposit USDT as collateral. You can't use USDT as collateral, only USDC and DAI. So then I actually deposited these stable coins, I withdrew this debt, and then what I did is I actually took this debt, I bought some Matic and some ETH, and I redeposited that onto Aave in order to earn even more passive income. So that's about it. So you deposit, you put this debt back into Aave as collateral. You might even buy some tokens, you might buy some Matic or some ETH, and then you can put that back into collateral, and that makes the health ratio a lot better. So the health factor is a lot better, and that's why I've actually got $10,482 in collateral. That's because this borrowed amount, I put it back in, and that's how I can actually be earning a really awesome APY. Now, how much am I actually earning at the moment? At the moment, with the current $6,313 that I deposited in and the total funds on Aave of $14,517, I'm actually earning $2.55 per day, $76 per year, and around $1,000. So I'm earning $2.55 per day, $76 per month, and $929, so around $1,000 per year, based on $6,313 of initial capital. So that's around 14.73% yearly APY, which is fantastic. I mean, you don't really get this anywhere else. Now, of course, this Polygon reward scheme, it won't be here forever, but as long as it's around, I'm going to take advantage on it. Now, how am I actually going to attempt to gain over $1,000 per month in passive income? Well, with the next step of the bull run, I will be slowly taking out some profit as the prices go up, and I'm trying to accumulate more and more stable coins and increase my stablecoin position. So at a certain stage of the next leg up during this bull run, I'm going to remove more or less 100,000 US dollars in stablecoins. And then the idea will be like this. I would maybe put 50,000 US, let's do $50,000 into DAI. That would mean I would have 53,617 DAI. And then what I would also do is maybe put 50,000 into USDC. So that means I would have $52,000. But now you can see I've only got $662 per month, and that's, it's good, but it's not enough. So what I'll do now, since I put that much more collateral, so I put 100,000, what I can actually do is I can borrow $50,000 of USDT. And that's really sweet. So I'm actually increasing the potential of the capital that I'm putting in. So I borrow $50,000 of USDT. That puts my borrowed amount at 54,000. And that means now I've got actually these 50,000 USDT. What I could do with that? Well, I could theoretically buy some ETH or Matic, but what I would prefer is I want to put this capital back to work. So what I would do is I would deposit this $50,000 of USDT back into Aave as collateral. So I put that here, $50,000, and that puts my daily US dollar passive income at $37, and per month $1,111. I mean, that's incredible. And yeah, I mean, you got to take advantage of this, but yeah, putting $100,000 onto a relatively new side chain is definitely risky. So this is something I used to keep in mind. Hopefully smart contract insurances will come soon. Aave is one of the more trustworthy platforms. It's a DeFi blue chip. So me personally, I feel like this is something I'm willing to do, but you have to realize if this is something that you can actually be comfortable with. So yeah, that's how I'm actually going to be planning on earning more than $1,111 with stable coins and preparing for the next bear market. So I'll definitely be taking a lot of funds out during the next leg up of this rally at different price points. Make sure you check out my crypto exit strategy, and I'll be putting these funds to work on Aave. I might be using other yield earning platforms, but that will be for another video. So hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye bye.